Did you know your child builds lifelong bone strength before the teen years? And that window never repeats. And for many kids, the missing piece in that critical window is simply getting enough calcium each day. Hi, I'm Dr. Choi from iGrow channel. We support children in reaching their full growth potential. Every parent knows calcium is essential for bones and growth, but many don't know how much their child actually needs each day, or which foods offer the best absorption. The opportunity to build bone strength is greatest in childhood and the teenage years. It's truly the most important window in a person's life. That's why consistent, appropriate calcium intake during the growing years matters so much. Today, I'll walk you through how much calcium growing children really need, which foods provide the most effective forms of calcium, and what research says about calcium supplement so you can make informed, confident decisions. And by the end of this video, you won't just know the basics. You will know everything essential about calcium to maximize your child's growth. So let's begin with one of the most common questions I hear from parents. How much calcium does my child actually need each day? According to the American Academy of Pediatrics, daily calcium needs vary by age. 1 to 3 years, about 700 milligram per day. 4 to 8 years, about 1000 milligram per day. 9 to 18 years, about 1300 milligram per day. After about age 9, children require a higher amount of calcium because the body is building bone at its fastest rate. To put this into perspective, 1 cup of milk provides about 300 milligrams of calcium. So most school-age children need 3 to 4 servings of calcium-rich foods each day to meet this requirement. Many parents assume if a food contains calcium, it automatically supports healthy bone growth. But the truth is, not all calcium is absorbed the same way. Some foods provide calcium in forms the body can use efficiently, while others not, even when the nutrition label shows a high number. So the real question isn't just how much calcium is in this food. It is how much of that calcium can my child's body actually use? Understanding this difference is essential. Now let's look at foods that provide calcium in forms the body can use efficiently. After this, I'll also talk about calcium supplements and what current research says about them. Number 1, dairy. Dairy remains one of the most effective and well-studied sources of calcium. Milk, yogurt, cheese provide calcium in a form body uses well, and they also contain nutrients like protein and phosphorus that support bone health. For many children, dairy is the most practical and reliable way to reach recommended daily calcium intake. Number 2, fortified plant-based milk. For children who cannot tolerate dairy, plant-based milk can be an alternative source of calcium. The effectiveness depends largely on the type of calcium used in the product. Research referenced by the NIH reports that calcium carbonate is best absorbed when taken with food, and many fortified plant-based milk use this form. However, the absorption can vary from product to product, so it is helpful for parents to check the ingredient label and shake the carton well before serving, since added calcium can settle at the bottom. Number 3, low oxalate vegetable. Some vegetables provide calcium that the body can absorb reasonably well, especially those that are naturally low in oxalates, such as bok choy and broccoli. These vegetables usually contain less total calcium than dairy or fortified options, but their absorption percentage can be decent, making them a helpful addition to the diet. Number 4, soft-boned fish. Soft-boned fish, such as sardines, can provide calcium in a well-absorbed natural form. While these foods may not be everyday staples for most children, they can still contribute meaningfully to daily calcium intake. That's it for part 1. In part 2, we will talk about the most effective ways to boost calcium absorption and how to choose the right calcium supplement for your children. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss part 2. Thank you for watching.